In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a clean and powerful project timeline dashboard in Notion, step by step using Notion's built-in timeline view and dependencies. This is perfect for managing launches, content production, software projects, or any workflow where tasks depend on each other. By the end of this video, you'll have a visual timeline that updates automatically and gives you a clear overview of your entire project. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to a page where you want your dashboard to live. In this example, I'm using a page called My Launchpad, but you can use any existing page or even create a brand new one. Once you're on the page, click below the page title so your cursor is active. Now type /timeline on your keyboard. Notion will show you different database options. From the list, click on Timeline View. Notion will now ask you what data source you want to use. Go ahead and click on New Empty Data Source because we want to build this timeline from scratch. You'll be prompted to name your database. Type in Production Schedule and press Enter. This will be the backbone of your project timeline. Now you'll see your empty timeline with a few default cards. Click on the first card. This will open the task details. Rename this first task to Draft Copy. This could represent writing, planning, or any initial phase of your project. Close the card, then click on the second card. Rename this one to Design. This might be where visuals, layouts, or mockups are created. Next, click on the third card. Edit the name and change it to Coding. This represents the build or implementation phase of your project. Now let's add another task. Click on a new card in the timeline and name it Review. This can represent testing, approvals, or final checks before completion. At this point, you should see all your tasks laid out visually on the timeline. Minimize any open cards so you can clearly view the full dashboard. Now we're going to enable one of the most powerful features of Notion timelines, dependencies. Click on the three-dot menu in the top corner of the timeline. From the menu, click on More Settings. Inside the Settings panel, find Dependencies and click on it. Then turn on Dependencies. This allows tasks to be linked, so one task starts only after another is completed. Now let's connect the tasks in order. Link Draft Copy to Design. So Design depends on Draft Copy being completed first. Next, link Design to Coding. Finally, link Coding to Review. You'll now see visual dependency lines connecting each task, showing the flow of your project from start to finish. Take a moment to check your edits and make sure everything is connected correctly. You can adjust dates, drag tasks on the timeline, and Notion will automatically update dependent tasks for you. And that's it. You've successfully built a project timeline dashboard in Notion that's visual, flexible, and incredibly powerful for managing real-world projects. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.